How to rotate and flip your videos in Premiere Pro. In this video, I will explain you each and everything that how you can flip your videos and rotate it very easily. So this is my clip, right? And if I just click on it, you will able to see a lot of controls in the effect control center. So if I want to rotate, so this is the video and I want to rotate it. Now here you will see an option of rotation. So just go here. If I want to rotate it in upside down, so I can just write here 180, right? Otherwise, I will just click and hold on whichever direction you will move your mouse, the video will rotate, right? So I like this one, so I will just write here 180 and you can see the video is perfectly upside down. Now, if I want to flip my videos, it's very easy to do it. You have to go to the effects center. If you're not able to find it, just go to the click and windows and here make sure there's a tick mark, and if you just click here, you will able to see this effect center, right? So here you have to just write 3D, and once you write 3D, just click and hold basic 3D and drag it to your clip. Now this is my clip, and here you can see in the effect control I'm just finding a new option of basic 3D. Now I want to flip it on the other side, so here you can see swivel, so I will just write here 180 and you can see my clip is flipped. If you want to flip just slightly, then you can just click and hold to the right or left, whichever side you want to flip. Now you want to flip on the upper side, so here there is an option of tilt, so you can just click and hold and whichever direction you can just flip it, right? So let me show you, and just click and hold and you can flip it exactly like this. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.